Hello everyone. Welcome to Terrifying Snake Encounters Caught on Camera, where you'll witness terrifying encounters with dangerous snakes that left people frightened and running away in sheer panic.
Kurangkan pergerakan.
Just imagine it biting people without anyone even realizing it.
Tiba-tiba ada 2 ekor.
No, that's definitely a moccasin.
A water cobra tried to swim its way into the boat. Fortunately, he reacted just in time.
Is this a snake chasing you, Ayla?
Yeah, I think he's onto me.
He's on it.
Wasn't she afraid at all?
It's all good, you're right. You're right.
I can't see his head, Brooke. He's
He's right.
that.
Didn't chase? There it is.
Goes towards what perceives to be the predator.
I admire how patient the cobra was and how it didn't strike right away.
So she's not been in a very good mood all day.
Careful. You better move before he bites.
The thing that caught my attention most was his facial expression.
Move. Hurry, he's looking at you.
I watched the footage without realizing there was more than one snake. I honestly thought it was a single giant snake. Have you ever thought you could become a superhero, only to feel like you were being guided by a monster instead? This was truly a rare sight to witness.
Sitting on a road like this is going to get you killed. Nice little female western diamondback. That's the road. Goodbye.
Dude, what's that noise coming from your boot? Uh-oh. Maybe we should give it back.
Everything seems to go quiet when you suddenly hear an Australian guy out in the bush. And then you look over and see him somehow suspended on what appears to be thin air.
They're freaky, aren't they?
Wow, that thing looks absolutely massive.
Oh, shit.
Oh, listen to Gary. He's going the next one now.
Oh, look, his
Watch
tail's
his tail.
gonna go.
Ready?
Oh my god, look at it.
A terrifying encounter with a king cobra. I truly have a great deal of respect for him. Not her finest moment. A Russian dancer was bitten on the nose by a snake while posing for photos with it.
Se va a ir. Agárrenla.
A snake entering a home and attacking someone is an extremely dangerous situation. In cases like this, staying calm and responding appropriately can make all the difference in protecting your own life and the safety of your family. It can squeeze its way into just about any nook and cranny.
Eventually, but not at this point. She can still move, so.
A fisherman caught a venomous sea snake and safely released it back into the ocean. Isn't it fun to watch a grown man get as excited about snakes as a little kid chasing after an ice cream truck?
Oh my god.
Does she really have no fear at all? This was the terrifying moment a massive king cobra lunged at a mother while she was preparing dinner. The python was probably thinking, "Don't mind me, I'm just an ordinary tree branch." Char.
What do you think, guys?
Scott,
Yeah.
just get some pictures for the lady as well.
This snake was incredibly bold. Crossing paths with a wild Florida man is no joke. They're incredibly brave, but there's no way I could ever do something like that. Powerful muscles working with incredible efficiency. The moment you hear an Australian accent, you just know the animal involved is probably deadly.
A big snake. Yeah. Oh, yes.
If you happen to walk past there, there'd be no escaping this monster.
Keep moving! You fucking track it! Move!
Police discovered a large snake roaming the streets of Birmingham, England. An eastern brown snake launched itself into the air. Sea snakes are actually very shy and gentle creatures, even though their venom is extremely potent. A 26-foot, approximately 7.9-meter snake was discovered in the Amazon rainforest. Everglades National Park in Florida is facing a serious invasion of pythons. This Burmese python, like many others, was captured by snake hunters because these invasive snakes are harming the native wildlife that inhabits the wetlands.
Oh my god, that thing's beautiful.
I grabbed like 6 inches behind it.
Dude, that thing's bigger than face.
Let him go. Ryan and I had a bet that if we ever get one this big, it's all him. And I'm just gonna sit back.
That was teamwork there.
Grab the tail. It's on my leg. Let go?
Yeah.
On my leg. Gotta come through. Yeah. Dude, look how much it bit itself. What? What? What?
A giant python attacked this dog. The actions of these men were truly heroic. The footage and terrifying snake encounters caught on camera surely kept you on the edge of your seat from beginning to end. In your opinion, which snake species is the most terrifying? Leave your thoughts in the comments below.